Hello and welcome to Coffee with the Librarians week of February 12th. I am really looking forward to this message because I hear that it's going to be about love, in particular because Valentine's Day is coming up and the librarians are picking up on a lot of almost agitation around that word and that concept. So let's go in and let's see. Okay. Love is something that we want to hold on to so tightly, and it's not a thing. To love, loving is a verb. Loving is something that we are. Yes, it's something that we do, but it's something that we are. It's something that we emanate from source. That's interesting. We emanate it from source. Love is given to us from source energy, from spirit, from source, from God, from whatever you want to call it. That's where love comes from. It is given to us and we emanate it. We are love. We are made from love. We emanate love. When we think about love as the doing, I do love. That's where it gets a little bit weird because the thing we are doing are acts. And yes, they are kind acts, flowers, candy, chores, whatever it is. We do things that show love. We do things that show, that make our love look tangible. But love is a gift from source that emanates from us. Receiving and giving love are different things. When we receive love, we want to grab onto it and we want to hold it, but we can't because it's not tangible. Even those gifts, even those things that people do for us and give to us, we want to hang on to it so desperately, but we can't. The problem when you talk about, I can't receive, I'm not in a receiving state, I don't receive love, it's not a doing, it's an accepting. Receiving is accepting. Receiving is allowing that emanation to permeate, which is something that you feel inside. Receiving isn't the doing. Love isn't the doing. It's the emanation and the accepting. And what they're saying is literally we put these shields around us, these energetic shields, so the love can't come in. And we do that because we feel like there's an expectation that if we let ourselves be all zhuzhed up and if we let ourselves be all, that there will either be an expectation of us that then we will have to meet, or we're afraid that we're never going to feel that way again, that it feels so good and that we're never going to feel that way again, and that we will spend the rest of our lives being really sad because it's never going to feel that zhuzhy and ushy and wonderful again. We're the ones that put fear into love. There is no love. There is no fear in love. Love is an emanation. We're a clear channel. Love comes from source. We emanate it out. To receive love is just to accept it and to allow yourself to feel the feelings of it. To not try to hold it, to not try to trap others into providing it for us all the time. Oh, that's a big one. We want to, when we feel good, when another person has made us feel good and they don't make us feel good, it's just that we allow ourselves to receive those good feelings. When we allow ourselves to receive those good feelings, when we accept that love, then we want to trap that person into always being there, into always being our supply. And the thing is, we can receive the love that is emanated from source through every person out there. You can feel that emanation of love through, I don't know why they're showing this to me, the gas station attendant. They're showing me a person in a booth and like people pumping gas. That person can be emanating love, and you can accept that love, and you can feel just as zhuzhy and ushy and gushy and wonderful as you can when you are accepting love from a partner, accepting love from a child, accepting love from an animal. Because the love flows through everybody. There are no bounds or boundaries around love. We should be in a state where we are allowing that love to flow through us and allowing ourselves to accept love from everybody else, because it's a feeling. It's not always an action. It can be an action. The actions are gifts. The actions are fun things. Continue to do the actions, continue to enjoy the actions of others. But what they're challenging all of us to do for our own highest good, not like a challenge as in success or failure, but they're talking about opening your heart to accept more often. Open your heart and accept from everyone. They're saying accept from this broadcast, accept from books, accept from gas station attendants, accept that emanation of love. Some people are really good at emanating love. Accept from them. There is no limited supply. Don't tie them into always being your source. They are not your source, but allow yourself to receive, and then allow yourself to receive from source so you can emanate. So the receptiveness is twofold. It's coming in from source and it's coming in from others. So it creates that cycle. As you accept it and receive it, then you can emanate it out more, and then others can accept it and receive it. And that's, of course, that's what's meant by being in flow. Being in a flow state, you're constantly giving and receiving, accepting and emanating. It's constantly coming in and going out, and you're not trying to hold on to it, because when you try to hold on to it, it shuts it down. When you try to hold on to anything, it shuts it down. It pinches it off. So keep allowing it to flow. Get rid of the whole romantic notion. Get rid of the whole, I will get it from you, you, and you, but not you. And just allow yourself to drop into that flow. And that is their message around Valentine's Day and love. That was interesting. I am now accepting love from source. I'm now accepting love from all of you, and I'm consciously going to be emanating that for the rest of the week. So please do the same and let me know how it goes. Bye.